So this is how we will look at structure, gang. All right. So I'm giving you all these video gang to, how is your psychology, how you make money in this market. You still have the rest of your life to make money in this market. If you're just finding out about Forex, don't feel bad because you're just finding out about Forex. You still have the rest of your life to make money in this market. Like if you just found out about this market, it's okay. I just found out about this market not too long ago, and this market been out for years. So imagine how much money and how much time you have been missing out on trading. Like it's okay. Like it's okay. Like this is going to price is going to do this in the future. It's going to get back up here. It might get all the way back up here this year, back up to 2070, and make lower highs and lower lows all the way back down. It price will do the same thing over and over again, gang. So do not feel bad because um you're just finding out about this market and you're like, oh, I'm missing out on money. The best thing you can do is save your money. Save your money, go to work, save up your money as much as you can so that you can feel comfortable when you're in these trades. You need at least 3,000, 4,000, at least, to be able to really do what you want to do in this market. That's why I'm going back to work. I'm putting more hours in, more time in, because I already understand structure and market structure. I'm going to be breaking more videos down for you though, gang. But you know, it's not about just, oh, let me get in the market because um I want to make money, I want to get rich right now. Like, no. Learn everything about Forex as you can. Learn as much as you can about Forex. Study these videos, really study these videos. Really practice and be able to identify market structure, being able to identify candlestick patterns, being able to identify your take profit levels, like be able to identify these things. So when you get in this market, you'll be able to make more money, and you'll be able to analyze the market and be able to make money in this market. But it starts with you having a trading strategy. You need money to make money in Forex. Like that's just probably the biggest thing that I can really tell you is that you're going to need a lot of money to make money and make a lot of money in this market. So don't be afraid, like that you don't be like discouraged that you're not trading right now. Like it's okay. Like study these videos, go over these videos. I have countless videos over and over again telling you about Forex, you know, and explaining everything. Like study these videos, learn from the best like traders out here. Like you can see them, they're all on YouTube. I'm one of the best too, but learn from them and take everything and apply it to your trading strategy. Like you have to have a trading strategy. I'm doing all this game for your psychology. You at least want to have 2 or 3 or 4,000 in your account. That's money that you don't have, that you have to lose, that you have to risk. You shouldn't be gambling with money that you don't have. Okay, and then you don't have enough money to be trying to last in these trades. Like you don't have enough money to be trying to hold these trades. Like you just don't. Like you need at least 2 or 3,000 gains, 4,000. That's money that you can afford to risk. Money that you can afford to risk. So practice on, the concept of trading and understanding trading. Again, you have to actually be able to identify market structure and identify and be able to determine and analyze which direction the market is going in. Like you have to be able to put it all together. Like this is why I'm going over all these videos to help with your psychology. This is a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend since March 8th, 2022. Like gang, like practice, and the money will follow. The money will follow, but it's going to require you to practice on everything. Practice on once price makes a lower high, you can get in for an entry. Because price is going to make a lower low. We're not going over entries really like that because we really already went over entries. But once price makes a lower high, it will make a lower low. Like you have to look at, you can get in for entries once price makes a lower high, in 1994, price makes a lower high after what? Making a lower low. From March 10th makes a lower low. Boom. One price makes a lower high, made a lower high, made a lower low. When price makes a lower high, it will make a lower low. Made a lower high all the way up to 2005. Made a lower low. You could have entered at when price makes a lower high, it will make a lower low. Once price makes a lower high back at 1995, you can enter for a trade, and then price will make what? A lower low. Let us know we're in a downtrend. Makes a lower high. You could have entered today, March 14th. Right here, it makes a lower high, March 14th, March 13th, going to March 14th, and eventually makes a lower low. You enter at the high. Once price makes a lower high, you can enter and you ride it down to the lower low. It goes all the way down to 1949. You know, prices right now at 1954. You know, like gang. You know, prices right now at 1954. You know, but it starts with you being able to put it all together, gang. Like we go over entries. I'm giving you all these videos, gang, to help with your strategy, like to help you make money in this market eventually, you know, like, but you have to, you have to have a strategy. You know, our trading strategy works. You get in when price makes a lower high, and then you can ride down to the lower low. You know, but you need money to make money in this market. Like, don't be trading with your last bit of money. Like, don't do that, gang. Like, do not like you need like you're trying to trade with $300, $500, like and you don't have the discipline. You're over leveraging, and risk management is extremely important, and you're over leveraging and you get stopped out, and then price makes a lower low. Like no, like practice this game, like and go over these videos. I break down a lot of strategies for you games to help with your psychology. Practice in a demo account. Once you feel ready, then try it in a live account. But practice in a demo account. I still practice in a demo account. Like work on your trading strategy and work on your trading strategy and having a trading plan. How much money are you trying to make per month? How much money are you trying to make per year? Like, are you trying to make 4,000 per month, 3,000 per month? That's just $100 per day. Like, practice on your trading strategy and practice in a demo account until you feel ready enough. Like, you should be in a demo account still practicing, like until you have your psychology right. Like, Forex is about your psychology game. You can make a lot of money in this market, but Forex is about your psychology. That's why we go over all these videos. Like, it's about your psychology. You know, I break all these videos down to help you over and over again, gang. I break these videos down and prove, market structure over and over again, proving what price goes at over and over again, gang, to help you eventually make money in this market. You're watching these videos for some reason. Either, because I'm helping you with your psychology, you like my strategies, like take it and use it, gang, and apply it, your trend lines, Fibonacci, like candlestick patterns. We go over everything. I have a playlist for candlestick patterns, everything, gang. Like study these videos, gang. Like we go over fundamental news, entries. Like, so I want you to test these strategies out for yourself and practice in a demo account. And then once you're comfortable in a demo account and you're making money consistently in a demo account, then you can open up a live account. But you want to practice in a demo account. In the meantime, you should be working. You should be saving your money up. You need at least 3,000 gang before you get in this market. And then you can start making money in this market. You can become a full-time trader. I'm a full-time trader. By the money I like to make, I want to make about like at least 10,000 a month, and I know I can do that. That's nothing to me. Um, but it starts with having a lot of money. You have to have more money than you think in this market. So that's just how I could, losers do come up, losses do come up, and you have to be able to have money to replace that, or be able have enough money where it doesn't really bother you. So focus on your psychology game, and out and the money will come. The money will come, but first focus on a strategy, and the money will follow. So I hope these videos help. All right.